Alright, this is one of our last videos. We almost there. It's been a little minute. So, as you can see, this is the basement remodel we've been working on. It's the laundry room, bedroom. Let me get this light on. We got all our stuff compacted in there because we're about to, if you go back to our previous videos, you'll be able to see this place. So what we got is we had to do a bunch of spot priming on our floor. We're getting ready to paint this floor one final time, but you can see this is how it looks so far. So just giving you an update. You got everything in. It's been a nice long journey. So next video we give you a synopsis of everything we did. All right.